Welcome children. Now today I am going to start the word problem of chapter weight. Okay, now let's see the first question. First question is two basket contains 8 kg 650 gram and 5 kg 550 gram of tomatoes. Okay, how much is the total quantity of tomato? Okay, तो लिखेंगे quantity of first basket. Sorry, quantity in capacity of first basket. Sorry, write down capacity. Capacity of first basket is, there is kg and gram. 8 kg and 650 gram. Now capacity of second basket. There is two basket. ठीक है, एक बास्केट में 8 kg 650 ग्राम टोमेटो है और दूसरे वाले में 5 kg 550 ग्राम है. तो हाउ मच टोटल वेट ऑफ टोमेटो? ओके, नाउ कैपेसिटी ऑफ फर्स्ट बास्केट 8 kg एंड कैपेसिटी ऑफ सेकेंड बास्केट इज 5 kg and 550 gram. So you have to write on kg and gram. So total weight quantity, total quantity of टोमेटो इस ऐड करिए. नाउ 0 10 1 कैरी 6 6 12 2 1 कैरी 8 5 13 and 1 14 kg. So total quantity of tomato is 14 kg 200 gram. Now see the first next question. A family consumed 40 kg 800 gram flour, 40 kg 800 gram flour in the month of December and 25 kg 500 gram in the month of January and 38 kg 750 gram of in the month of February. What was the total consumption of flour? So write down the statement. How to start the writing statement? The consumption of flour in the month of December. In the month of December. Now you have to write down kg and here is gram. So it is easy to calculate. 40 800 gram. Now next one is the consumption of flour in the month of January is equal to 25 kg 500, 25 kg 500. Now third one is the consumption of flour in the month of February is equal to 38 kg and 750 gram. Total consumption of total consumption of flour is equal to, now add together 0 again 5 7 5 12 and 8 20 2 carry 2 5 7 7 7 14 and 1 15 1 carry 4 1 5 2 7 7 or 3 10. So 105 kg and 50 gram. So children, the total consumption of flour is 105 kg 50 gram. Now come to the next questions. Now let's start next question. Number 3. In a ration shop there was a 1250 kg and 875 gram of wheat in the morning. Okay, and during the day there is 180 kg and 250 gram of wheat was sold. Okay, and by how much left in the evening? कितना शाम को बच गया? राशन शॉप में कितना टोटल wheat था? इतना, और सोल्ड wheat दिया हुआ है आपको इतना, तो रिमेनिंग wheat आपको निकालना है. ओके, लिखेंगे टोटल क्वांटिटी of wheat quantity of wheat in during the day. Kg of wheat in the morning. Total quantity of wheat in the morning is equal to now kg and gram. 1250 kg, 875 gram. Okay, now quantity of shoaled wheat. Quantity of shoaled wheat is equal to 1080 and 250 gram. Now quantity of left wheat is equal to the minus, subtract, write down 0, 752, 8 minus 2, 6 and 0, 15, 15 minus 8, 7 and here is 1 is left, 1 and 0. 170 kg, 620 gram wheat left in the evening. Okay. Now, next question, the weight of one watermelon. First watermelon, the weight is given and another weight is given. So, which watermelon has more quantity? आपको दिख रहा है कि first quantity दिया हुआ है. So, write down quantity of first watermelon. First watermelon is equal to 5 kg and 315 gram. And quantity of another watermelon is equal to 4 kg and 495 gram. Okay. Now differences to the minus. Here 5 kg we need borrow, so it becomes 1000 आपको देगा. 1000 ग्राम आप उसको आप बोरो लोगे क्योंकि there is 350 gram is smaller than 495 gram. So we need borrow from kg. 1 kg आपको बोरो लिया तो उसको हम कन्वर्ट किए ग्राम में. It becomes 1000. 1000 plus 350 it becomes 1350 gram. Okay. Now here 4 is left. So 10 minus 5, 5. Again 14. 14 minus 9. No. 9, 10 and 5. 9, 5, 14. Here 12 and 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. And here 0 kg means gram. So their difference is 855 gram. So hence we say that the quantity of first watermelon is more than by कितना ज़्यादा है 855 gram. Okay children, so in this way we have to complete the word problem of chapter 11. Wait. Okay.